Hey everyone, welcome back to this Python learning. In this video, I'm going to discuss about, assignment operators. If you remember in the previous video, we discussed about an arithmetic operators. Now it's a time to explore what are assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to our variables. So we have a different ways to assign values to a variable like plus equals, minus equals, multiplication equals, and so on. Let me show an example so that you will understand what are assignment operator and why it's useful. Okay, so let's say let me start with a question or an example so you'll understand it better. Let's say I have a salary is equal to 50,000. Okay, now I want you people to increase the salary by 20,000. So I have a salary 50,000, I just need to increase a salary by 20,000. So how do you increase? So we feel it like increasing something like this. We just call a salary plus, and we just call our, whatever increment, 20,000. And then finally, we try to print a salary, right? Yeah. This is going to give us a salary. But you can clearly see here. So don't you think you're just unnecessarily repeating your salary? Instead of using salary equals salary plus 20,000, why can't I make use of assignment operator? Call your salary and just use plus equals 20,000. Even this is going to give you the same answer. This is all about, assignment operator. See, plus equals in the sense, it will call a salary and it will add it with 20,000. I hope this is clear. Let's take one more example. What if I need to decrease salary by 20,000? What if I need to decrease salary by 20,000? Simple, just use salary minus equals. You have to subtract 20,000 from your salary, right? That's it. And now try to print the salary and see what it gets. See? 50 minus 20 is basically 30,000. We are just reducing the repetition of a variable with the help of a assignment operator. So similarly, let's say for example, you have a salary which is equal to 50,000 and you just need to apply, 5% hike. Apply 5% hike in the sense you just need to multiply. So how do you multiply? I just want to find, 5% of a salary. I just want to find what is 5% of a salary. So what I'll do, I'll just call a salary. I'll just use multiplication equals 5% in the sense 5 by 100, 0.05. And now let me try to print a salary. So 5% of salary is obviously, it's 25,000. 5 5s are 25, sorry, it's 2,500, 2,500. Getting, so similarly, what if my question is, let's see, marks. I have marks is equal to 600. And my question is divide marks by 30, or let's say divide marks by 6 subjects. Okay, so now what I'll do, instead of repeating marks is equal to marks by 600, sorry, marks is equal to marks by 6, what I'll do, I'll just use slash equals, I'll just give a 6. So if I try to print a marks, it's going to give us 600 by 6, which is in 100. So this is all about an assignment operator, which you have to remember, which helps in assigning values to a variable. This is useful whenever you want to increment, decrement. You'll be using those incrementing, decrementing in your future programming. So there, instead of writing, repeating a variable multiple times, you can just make use of, assignment operator so that it will be like, more optimized. Hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.